For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. Welcome to Paulstoolbox. I'm Paul Ricalde, and I'm going to cover something that I just covered a couple of days ago, but I removed the video because I made a mistake. And one of the watchers called me out on it in a respectful manner, so you will win some prizes. I'm going to send stuff to you. Before we get started, I'm going to share this information with you. This is a speed square. This is not. Why? Because Albert Swanson invented the speed square and the name is trademarked. It's like Kleenex. When you say speed square, people automatically think of anything that's shaped like this, but it's not. Now for the fun part. If I were approached 10 years ago by one of my buddies or colleagues and he said, look, give me a speed square and a pencil, I guarantee you I'll lay out this wall perfect for you and I won't even need a tape measure. Well, let me tell you something. I would have lost that bet then, and you can win that bet now. Let me show you how it's done. I have my two speed squares right here. I'm going to use my original speed square first because that's what it was originally made for. This one is improved and it has some other functions, so I'm going to use this one after to show you how much easier it is. We have to take this square and we need to make a 3/4 inch line off the end because 3/4 of an inch is the center of my stud on the end. All right? Quarter, half, 3/4. We will continue this line across my top and bottom plate because you want to mark them at the same time. You get a little tick mark. Bring it over and line it up with the next one. You have another tick mark. You could use this length or this length, but it's easier to slide the flat part straight across. You take it, put your line right here. Then you're going to come over 1.5 inches. This is 1 inch. Right here's 1.5 inches. And we'll make a mark. From this point, we're going to make 2 more tick marks to go to the next stud. And we will do the same thing. Right here, come back over 1.5 inches. And we have a mark. Now let's see how this plays out. We'll pull a measurement. 16 inches to the center, 32 inches to the center here. You thought the original was slick? Watch how this works. I'll bring it over and I have my 3/4 inch line right here and here. I have a line, line, line. That's it, boom. And we will check it. 16:32. Well, there you have it. If you saw my previous video, I went into detail on how to lay out some walls with a tape measure. I just wanted to show you guys how you could do it without a tape measure and with a speed square. These things have more uses than you could ever imagine. I cover a lot of them on other videos. You can check these out on Speed Square in my playlist. Also, you can go to swansontoolco.com and you'll see me explaining a lot of things about speed squares, especially the new ones that they're coming out with. These will be available this month and you'll also see videos of me explaining some new features. I will see you guys on the next project. If you don't mind, please hit like and subscribe and have a great day.